the 2007 Honda CR-V. This four-door, five-passenger sport utility vehicle still has fewer than 60,000 miles. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include remote keyless entry, a split folding rear seat, power moonroof, power windows, an overhead console, and air conditioning. An attractive stance is achieved thanks to alloy wheels glistening within the fenders. Honda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, traction control, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment at our dealership.